Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another JF Production Studio video. In this video, we're actually be going and doing a gym style like vlog video for you guys. What we got is we're gonna be actually checking out a brand new gym. I've never been there. You've never been there. We've all never been there. We're actually going to be doing a back workout, maybe back and buys or something like that. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like, subscribe to the squad, and let's get into the video. All right, so before we head out, I just want to give you guys a little fair warning that the audio is just going to be directly from the iPhone. It's not going to be like a shotgun mic this time, but next time we'll be ready. We're just heading out right now, so let's get it. All right, obviously we got to get to the business. All right, that should not be there. I don't know who does that, but bring a little protein. You know, I don't know why I got that many Gorilla Mines in the fridge, but that is what we're looking for right here. All right, guys, so yeah, like I said, we're just gonna be hitting back and buys. So definitely some pull-ups, some lat pull downs, just try to really get the back activated, and then just absolutely kill the arms with what else other than arm curls. I really don't know what else to do for arms, but probably down the rest of this. I usually like to take my pre-workout like actually pretty early. I know some people like to take it like right at the gym or like right when they get there, but I usually take like a half hour to an hour before I work out, because I really just want that caffeine or whatever to be already be like settled in. We're gonna wait to take the pre-workout, but okay, so we just pulled up to my buddy's house here. Now we gotta take another about a half hour, 45-minute drive to get there. So
Workout game strong.
yeah. Show them the fit, bro. What are we rocking with?
Quick Sport Batman.
UA slides with the high socks. Young LA shorts.
Yeah,
let's check the back of the hoodie though. Oh, let's go. Oh, who'd you have sitting in the front? Damn.
Michael.
Sure. I take this pre-workout. Usually we got a whole pre-workout ritual out here. You don't take pre-workout, do you?
No, like and subscribe though. No, just BCAAs and creatine in a workout.
BCAAs and creatine. I'm the pre-workout king. We gotta sip this. We're a little bit behind here.
If you were a king, you'd be dry skipping that shit. Boy! Don't be sipping that.
It's pre-made, okay?
He's drinking the Danimal juice.
Never sip it. You have to chug it.
4 sips later.
I like how you get the walk-in shot. The merch. Might have to cop this shirt right here. So throughout the workout, I'll just be giving you guys some tips and tricks and the thought process that kind of goes into some of my workouts here. I always like to stretch out here and kind of rotate the shoulders front to back with the, I like to call it the staff. Hey bro, you know the gym's legit when you got chalk. For the first workout, I always like to start out with wide grip pull-ups. Like to go for about 3 sets, anywhere from 8 to 10. This really varies depending on how many you can do, but if you can't, obviously just drop it down and you should be fine. Shoulder width apart. You can go wider once you start getting the hang of these. But yeah, I for the most like to keep it shoulder width apart, and I don't do it all the way lock out there at the end. I used to do it like that, but I just figured out like it was just harder on the elbows, and it's not really necessary, I feel like, to do a dead hang like that, versus just keeping kind of like the back activated at around that 45-degree angle. All right, so here we just moved on to the lat pull downs. Once again, you want to go for around 3 to 4 sets. Rep range, I would say 10. And yeah, some things you kind of want to focus on is just driving your elbows back. And at the very bottom there where you're pinching your back, try to focus on like holding it in that position for like a second. So moving on to the seated rows here, I like to keep the back straight with a slight bend, obviously, when you're moving forward there. But yeah, just really focus on getting that extension of the lat with a slight hold there at the end. This guy here, he was having like elbow issues or something, so he kept doing one-handed workouts. Alright, so now we are moving on to cable arm curls. I would say here just to really just focus on keeping your back straight and try to not have a swing or like a lower back swing where you're kind of swinging the weight up with your weight. Just think of it, focus on the arms doing a majority of the curling and the pulling on it. So anything to do with like cables, I always like to do like drop sets there towards my last set. Just do a little drop set there and really get a good burnout. But I would definitely recommend doing it on like your last set. Okay, so this set here, this is pretty much the ideal form for preacher curls. He's got his back straight, fully extending here the elbows on the way down, and really controlling the weight from start to finish. That's what you want to shoot for here. Alright, we're continuing on with the workout here. This gym's got a whole outdoor section. Got the motivation graffiti over here. Get some fresh air, a lot more free weight stuff. Moving on, single rotating arm curls. So I like to do a little variation of a hammer curl with a slight twist on the end there. Starts out straight and end up twisting my wrist with a flex at the very end. So at this point of the workout, I definitely started to feel the fatigue already. That's why the reps are getting a little bit shorter, and I'm starting to kind of lean forward here. And of course, that's about the only weights that they had outside, so I couldn't go lighter. Usually I'd probably just drop to a lighter weight. I'm actually a huge fan of this double arm curl workout. I think it's just a great exercise here because it helps you keep a nice balance and it just feels good. Hey man, the people want to know if you could do a muscle up. If you're the real...
I don't do that CrossFit shit. Come on.
What do you...
I can definitely do a muscle up, but I'm not doing that CrossFit shit.
We want to see a muscle up right here.
No, that's too tall. I can't jump.
there's a bench right there. Look at him, look at him. So at first I was a little bit skeptical on trying this one. This was actually one of his workouts, but after trying it out, it's actually an amazing bio workout, because here you pretty much can't use anything besides your arms, because you're pretty much planking here, and it really helps focus in on only being able to use your bicep here. Ended up loving this workout. Very similar to a preacher curl, but like I said, you don't need to worry so much about getting your other body parts not to help you pull the weight, because you're in this position. All right, so we just finished up the workout here at Los Championes. Getting the hell out of here. We did cop a shirt, Grand Theft Auto style. Pretty sick, had to do it. Man is not playing around. Literally instantly pulls this out of, I don't even know where. What are you eating?
Turkey and sweet potatoes, Frank's Red Hot Sauce.
Hot sauce, turkey, and potatoes. What would you rate that workout, right?
Our workout or the gym?
Just overall experience.
7.
He said it's a 7. How about like workout? 5 stars out of 5 stars.
I'll give it a 4. We got better lifts. The reason why it's not higher is because the shit, we couldn't do our shit. We couldn't get to our cables, we couldn't get to the machines, we couldn't get to a free weight bench. We were just kind of like improvising. We never were like, oh, let's do dumbbell row. Psych.
Yeah, it was really packed. But we kind of expected that going in, because that's like it's kind of a popping gym.
Yeah.
All right, post-workout meal, Firehouse subs. We got the best pulled pork